Hey guys, I know it's like 6:30 in the morning, but I woke up early. But I'm gonna be rating my fidgets part 1. So let's get into the video. So this is really good. On this side, it feels really nice. This one's kind of harder, but both of the sides are really nice. So I give it 9.5. Now let's go to the hard pocket. So you can call it a dimple, but I call it a poppet. It's kind of like a mixed, so it's kind of like a poppet and a dimple mixed, kind of like that. See, kind of like this. I give this a 10 out of 10, I guess, because I really like it. So 10 out of 10. Now, this one is next. So this is the easy side. I was playing with it before I started the video, and it was really nice. And it has eyeballs. Let me get it real quick. See? Now this is the hard side. This is what it makes. This is the easy side. You can't really hear it on the hard side, but I give this a 7.5. So let's get to the next poppet. So I give this a 10 out of 10. And this is the same one, so I give this out of 10 out of 10. Now, my dimple. So this is my favorite one, so 10 out of 10. Because it's really nice on both of the sides. And this little one, ASMR. It's really nice. So I give this a 10 out of 10 too. And this Among Us poppet. So, and that's all my poppets. Not all my poppets, but like the poppets in this video. Because I think I have one more in my bin where I put all my fidgets. Okay, so, and this wacky track, I give it a 5 out of 10. I give this this fidget spinner poppet. It spins really well, and it's like 0 pounds. So ASMR. I give this a 6 out of 10. And this is kind of heavy, but I still like it. And I gave it a 4 out of 10. And this is the last thing, not my last fidget, but some marbles, some the little baby marbles. I give this a I don't really play with it, but I'm trying to get my marble collection, but I can't fit any more in here, so I think it's it. So I give this to 3 out of 10. But that's all. Bye guys, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and share. Bye guys, and subscribe.